Code number DR1814. Here it is a problem from solution of triangle. I will use the formula for cosine rule. I know that cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Similarly, I can define cos B and cos C. Now I write here it is, if it is a triangle here ABC, the sides are A, B and C. I will find cos A, cos B, and I will write the value of cos 3A. Now in order to find cos A, cos B and subsequently cos 3A, I want what are the values of ABC. In the question it is given ABC proportional to 4, 5, 6, A by 4 is equal to B by 5 equal to C by 6. I say this is equal to lambda. Then A is equal to 4 lambda, B equal to 5 lambda and 6 lambda. I write here. Now I find here it is cos A. According to this formula, I have to write here it is B square, C square and minus A square. B square means I can write here 25 lambda square. C square means it is 36 lambda square minus 16 lambda square divided by here 2 into 5 lambda into 6 lambda. Now this is 36 lambda square and 25 minus 16 will become equal to 9 lambda square divided by 2 into 5 into 6 lambda square. Cancel lambda square and I can also divide by 3. Lambda square cancel, 3 2's, 3 3's and 3 12's. I can say here it is 12 plus 3, 2 into 5 into 2, that is 15 divided by 2 into 5 into 2. I can say here it is nothing but 3 by 4. I have to see here 3A angle. I have obtained cos A, then I will write here cos 3A. According to the formula, I can say 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. I will write here it is 4 cos cube. Substituting the value, I will get 27 4 into 4 square minus 3 by 4. This 4 and 4 get cancelled. 27 divided by 16 minus 9 into 4 divided by 16. I can say 27 minus 36 divided by 16. Then this is equal to minus 9 by 16. Now coming to the angle B, I will find cos B. Cos B according to the formula, I will write as C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2AC. From this I can write C, that is 6 lambda. C square will become equal to 36 lambda square. Here A is equal to 4 lambda, A square will become 16 lambda square, and B I will write here 5 lambda, that will become 25 lambda square, 2 into 4 lambda and 6 lambda. Lambda square cancelled, then I will get 36 minus 9, 2 into 4 into 6. I can say 36 minus 9, that is equal to 27, and divided by 2 into 4 into 6. Still I divide here 3 2's and 3 9's, that is 9 divided by 2 into this, it is equal to 16. I am obtaining cos B is equal to this 9 by 16 and cos 3a is equal to minus this. I have to equate these two. I can say cos 3a plus cos b. I am adding this cos 3a and cos b. The sum of these two will become 0. Then I can say here cos 3a is equal to minus cos b. I know that is cos of pi minus b. Using the allied angle, I can say 3a is equal to pi minus b. 3a plus b will become equal to pi, which is the answer in the D option.